to Lucky की छोरी।
वेलकम टू लखनऊ की छोरी एंड आज हम जा रहे हैं जेनेश्वर पार्क एंड वो देखो मिसाइल। यहाँ पर रैबिट्स भी है मगर नकली वाले। दिस इज द एंट्री गेट. Okay, and are you able to see one of the park which is once you take an entry? And who is this? I don't know. If you can see this, पास जाकर पता चलेगा. And can you just check the direction of that? Is that a park which I was looking for? Count experience. This is the first day when I'm there with sun. And you know what? Let me just show you one more thing which has been there. Is I just want to clear it out that this is similar like the station which is Rishikesh's new one. Okay, and this is something mentioned there. The Constitution of India guarantees every citizen has a fundamental rights and freedom of experience. This is okay. Let me just go and check it, the price, and tell you about it. भैया साइकिल कितने की है? ओह अच्छा, साइकिल पता करने पे पता चला है कि आपको डिपॉजिट 500 रुपये करना होगा. उसके बाद आपको 60 रुपीज़ का कुछ पैसा देना होगा एंड देन यू कैन एंजॉय द साइकिल विद योर पार्टनर और एल्स अलोन. Tell you about this Fabbara and I have one friend. Can you see that? Is it a crow? I'm not going to disturb them. Okay, so can you just check this? Even if it has a boating, it would be very good, no? Let me just check you. Oh, they have fishes in it. Wow, this is so cute. Ah, are you able? But I think they have fishes, but the water is smelling. I don't know, but yeah, it is. I don't think so. You can. Okay, let me just zoom it and check it out whether anything visible to you or not. I don't think so. Day in this park, but I was not knowing that would be day today. You know, my mind do change. So, waiting for yesterday. See tomorrow. Do it right now. Let me just check. These are the flowers, and see this, and then this. Yeah. Okay, let me just have a photo of this. I'm able to have it. Okay. This is how it reflects. Are you able to see something? Ooh, it's a flying jet. It's not a flying jet, it's a fighter one. And then there's something else you can see here. But for this, I cannot find any such detail. Right now, I'm feeling so good here. Such a good vibes. I have this too coming nearby. Let me just check. Wow, so cute. I'm going to wait for it one more time and then I'm going to try some other path. It's so good. Hey, come fast. I'm waiting for you. It's you know what, dear? This is 360-degree angle it is making. It can be very simple if that point of view was not being mentioned. If I zoom it out, are you able to check it? See, I'm waiting for this. La la la. Ah. This is the new entry for the new park, but within that. Okay. Oh man. So basically, I'm wet right now, not because I wanted to. I really want. I'm so excited. Let me just show you one more different things available in this park. Basically, we have a different like this machine. Even you can see me also, right? Yeah. And I think it's wait. The, that what am I doing here? I'm just came here to explore this park. No, babe, just about me. I have saw some other thing available in this park, and let me just show you too. You can see that. No, you can. Okay, somewhere a little bit. Okay. Is motion car industry by Universal Electronical, and there's something notes available in what is that? uh, different park, but within that park. Mention in this, and let me just go to the counter here. It's mentioned as an I don't know how to read. I think that is some of the restaurant available for you to have something, and this is in price. Okay, it's a motion car. हम जा सकते हैं ऐसे ही के लिए विदाउट टिकट? मतलब हमको चेयर नहीं चाहिए? नहीं चेयर नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन वहाँ ऐसे एंट्री नहीं है। ओके, इंटरेस्टिंग। 100 रुपीज, इट्स फॉर 2 shows। 2 shows दिखाए जाते हैं, 6 मिनट का। बस फॉर 6 मिनट? इतनी देर में तो मजा आ जाता है, इतनी देर में सीरियसली। और क्या मजा आएगा ना? पक्का? अगर नहीं आया आई एम गोइंग टू हैव माय 100 रुपीज, आई एम टेलिंग यू। मजा आ जाता है। पक्का ना? प्रॉमिस? सच्ची बताइए। ओके फाइन, देन आई वांट वन। Okay, let's just check, go and have a look how is it going to happen. And can you, भैया टाइम कितना होता है? 12 मिनट चलता है, बताएं तो 3 मिनट। नहीं नहीं, वैसे टाइमिंग क्या रहता है इधर का? टाइमिंग कोई नहीं, 11 सुबह जो है 11 बजे खुल जाता है, 8 बजे रात तक। Okay, 11 to 8. Okay, and these are the instructions. ये लीजिए। This is the instructions available for not to have this. And let me just check. Where is filling this ticket? I want one round only. But still the cost would be 100 only. Okay. Are you guys able to see this? This is for 100 rupees and I'm going to try this. वैसे मैं कंजूस हूँ, but still. Okay, thank you. Have buy this ticket for 100 rupees and I am going to show how it's going to work. If someone wants and have it, come.
This is the first ever show once I am going. Let's check it out.
Okay. This is the specs. Okay, thank you. Ticket. Okay, okay. It's all in black. There's the show. Please check how it's going to work. Okay. But also nervous. What? Right now it's brown and sorry. Here, if I talk to you about my experience, was up to the mark. But अगर आपको डर नहीं लगता तो फिर कोई ज़रूरत नहीं. But experience was okay if you have a fear. अगर डर है तो सही है गेम, वरना नहीं है. Because somewhere I'm just thinking that मुझे कोई डर नहीं लगा.
Now it's time to explore a new park, that is Zoic Park.
Ticket counter where you
So the
can have the
prices
ticket for
are
120
120.
rupees.
You will be checking. Please do like, share, comment, and give your valuable feedback. So finally, I just given 120 rupees to the counter and
The ticket price, which you people can see within counter itself, and this is a counter for Jurassic Park. And as you can see in the starting of this gate, a dragon is there waiting for you. Why people are not there, giving a warning. I'm going to Jurassic Park, which is basically inside Janeshwar Park, and I think you're going to have it. So they have some of it who are available there, where you can just stay and get there. Even this is, I'm going to try one short one. And let me just show you one more. Dragon is waiting for me and calling me. Where are you? How are you, dear? I love you too. Great. Oh, ticket देनी थी. पानी अंदर होगा ना?
हाँ, पीने वाला मिलेगा, मतलब
खरीदना पड़ेगा. नहीं है वैसे.
वैसे हमारे अंदर मिलेगा, यहाँ एलडीए वाले को करवाना होता है, लेकिन वो लोग
तो आप लोग का पानी नहीं रहता होगा, कैसे लेते?
हमारा तो किचन से आता है पानी.
Oh, okay, okay.
मतलब किचन में यूज होता है, वहाँ से हम लोग.
Okay, take care. So this is the entry, and the first ever thing have you taken is dragon, and that's two. Yeah, I just need a water. I have it, right? Yeah. So this is dragon, first ever in history. If you ever saw, I think these dragons are just made of materialistic thing, and also waste. I don't think so. It's a waste, just a statue. Feel that I'm similar to dragon, and that's the reason I am dragon mouth. See, one dragon is calling other. Let me just go and praise him. There are skeleton of dragon too. Hey babe, how are you? You have a good taste of dum dum. There are a lot of kids and also different parents. So it's a Jurassic Park, and I am entering Janisha Mishra Park. Okay, this person is saying that you are going to explore one or the other magic in this Jurassic Park. So he is going to welcome you guys. If you do not have anyone to welcome in your life, don't worry, he's there. What about this logo? And I think that there are trees, whereas the road is everything is clean, quiet. Hey, Kogo! Hey, Pogo! This is elephant. Are you really an elephant? Doom. I am not. There's something in out Jurassic Park. There's something hidden in it. Trees. बिल्कुल मत भूलना आप हमेशा भूल जाते हो कोई बात नहीं आई डोंट हैव एनी इशू क्यों दोस्त मेरे दोस्तों कैसा है मैं एक जगह खड़ा रहता हूँ don't worry dear I enjoy myself a lot so I did not record anyone sometimes it feel like that I do require someone this is a place where you can sit and have relax or chit chat with your friends what about these things? Are you guys able to check one or the other thing that in this park these things are made not because this is going to be excited for you because also it's providing you light so that because generally this timing of this park is generally from 11 a.m. to 9 so this is a light which is going to explore night time I'm going to wait this is my friend which has been left me and now see the condition of this they themselves categorize this also that what is this I hope you people are able to see it if not let me just show you nearby this yeah babe you are I hope Jurassic Park आपको रात में आना चाहिए because आपको अच्छा लगेगा and see what I got it this I hope you enjoy it see I don't have anyone around me you can check it out so if I want to have photo one how am I going to have it let me try okay I'm going in this and this ha do like share कर दे जल्दी hey अब हम अंडे से जन्म लेने लगे हैं ओ वो देखो दिखा अंडे अंडे मैं तुम्हें दिखाती हूँ अंडे कैसे होते हैं देखो मेरे पीछे डायनासोर के अंडे अभी तक निकल ही नहीं पाए 2-3 महीने से It starts with dragon oh for a second ओके हाय तो तुम्हारी तरफ से आवाज आ रही थी एंड आई वाज जस्ट थिंकिंग कि ऊपर कुछ होगा तुम्हारा दांत टूट गया तो कैसे का हे इनकी आंखें भी ब्लिंक करती है वाह बेसिकली इनकी आंखें ब्लिंक नहीं करती है ऊपर वाली ब्लिंक कर रही है देखना सी I think it's nice let me just show you starting but now I'm feeling so unique and I think I can guide you much more easy valuable and this is like hunting behavior and I don't know about name is it a lion yeah it is see it's lion how are you my cutie pie if you were real I can be your cutie pie I can understand then after exploring a lot if you want to take rest you can there I'm sorry I cannot check with this and have this oh there's a swan too for you and it's real it's not fake are you guys able to see why can we not and we have in jungle friends and I can be a part for them See how these three cutes. Why you have restricted this area? Can you guide me? How you cute. Wake up. It's afternoon. And this is like, hey, me, my brother. They are my brothers, fighting with each and every day. But one brother is like this only. They both are my brother. Where am I? Where am I? See. If they were real. Ah, गिलहरी ने अपना खाना बना लिया देखो. Are you guys able to see them? See this. The real fact of nature. Let's go have some unique thing. Okay. So what do you think if you ever wanted to come to Jurassic Park? हाय रे हमें तो बोलना भी नहीं आता. You have canteen available. And see बात करें कि यहाँ तक सुनाई दे रहा है मगर सुनाई दे रहा है समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. Hey, how are you? नकली. हाँ क्या मेरे पेट में दर्द हो रहा है. How we are being influenced with the artificial one. First time I realized कि हमारी आंखें ऐसे ऐसे होती हैं क्या? You have this statue has been categorized there with display on display. I'm thinking that I'm going to stay night just to check this. कि मुझ में कितना डर है. How are you guys? Hi babe. This is the next one and आप पूछ देखो इसकी कितनी बड़ी है. And everyone is fascinated about this to see it. And every scene, this is the animal, that is a display, and this is me. We have an entry or an exit gate there. Do we have some other thing available in this park? It's a display. Hey, मेरे दोस्त. Quack. Hey, मेरे दोस्त. Quack. तुम बड़े शैतान हो ना? I'm so scared. It's same. Same.
अरे 10 मिनट गैप पे आता है.
We have this. Dad.
अरे बुलवा यार तो कम से कम देख लो यार.
Hey. कृष्णा कर. Hi. ये इसके अंदर कोई इंसान है क्या? हेलो. Hey. Hi. उसको दिख भी नहीं रहा होगा.
आज सुस्त है. नहीं वैसे रिएक्ट करता है आज कर नहीं रहा है.
सो गया है क्या? तुम्हें दिख रहा है क्या? तुम मुझे डराने जाओगे अभी.
इधर आओ.
चलो अभी वो सोच रहा है कि क्या करना है. वाओ. बाबूजी जरा धीरे चलो. अभी मैं बताती हूँ डायनासोर तुमको.
डर नहीं लगा.
अरे रुको. वो थक गए होंगे. बाय टेक केयर. अरे वो आ रहे हैं. बाय. बचा रहे हैं वो अब आराम करने. थक गए. अच्छा बेचारा डर गया छोटू. मैंने बहुत कुछ मिस कर दिया था. मुझे कहीं बेसिकली हम पार्क की तरफ से आए थे. कहीं और से ब्रिज।
पानी तो निकल रहा है पानी से।
इसमें फिशेस नहीं है। Oh, I forgot to leave these. See that? Hey, चलो। इसमें झूले नहीं मिलेंगे। ये इनकी सब अच्छा एक ये भी है। रात में मज़ा आएगा। एक ये छोटा सा क्लिप है क्योंकि हम लोग का जाने का ये एग्जिट है Zarek Park, and I'm out. So once you're out, you're going to have a canteen to eat one or the other thing. And this is it a horse riding? Can I try this? But तू मुझे बैठाना नहीं चाहता है ना अपने ऊपर? Don't worry, फिर मैं डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेगी तेरे को. And here's a canteen. Oh, okay, they have a canteen in this. It's cost 40 rupees and weight should be maximum 35 and minimum that. देखो कैसे ये बिल्कुल मेरे दादाजी की तरह लग रहा है पर अभी चले गए हैं। ये इधर से है एग्जिट गेट जहाँ पर तुम्हें ड्रैगन मिलेगा बनाते हुए खाना, मगर सिर्फ पोस्टर में। ये एग्जिट गेट है। रात के टाइम पे यहाँ पर ऐसा लग रहा होगा ना मंगल बाज़ार। ये सब टिकट खरीदने के लिए है, पार्क के लिए। शाम में पार्क, अभी मेरा तो समय हो गया जाने का।
डू लाइक शेयर करना मत भूलेगा, एंड अगर आप चाहते हो ऐसी वीडियो तो प्लीज़ डू लेट अस नो। थैंक यू सो